Morning, it's Sunday the 9th of June. This is just a little bit of info for you guys. Vevor, who sell a lot of bits and pieces on internet, I bought the pullers and all sorts of stuff off them. They're having a Father's Day sale in the next few days, and just out of interest, they have diesel heaters. 5 kilowatt diesel heaters, all the full kit with the remote control programming, blah 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 blah. 80 Canadian dollars, that's 46 quid, which is just unbelievable. So I bought one. In fact, I bought two. I bought the self-contained unit as well. Why? Because I'm going to have a mess about and see if I can get them to run on ATF, because I've got loads of it, you know, from doing gearboxes and things like that. Put it through my centrifuge and see if it'll burn in that. Why burn out an expensive Webasto or an Eberspacher? So head over there, and then in UK I had a look at UK site last night, and Vevor UK have insulation, soundproofing. It looks very similar to that Killmat stuff, and it was for nothing. So check it out and see what they've got. Alright, see you later.